HiveRisk is a boutique compliance company, and we service law firms all across the country, from a sole practitioner all the way up to top 10 UK law firms. We look after their risk and compliance needs, anything from phone a friend service all the way up to fully embedded compliance teams.
In terms of audits, we provide quite a number of different client services. We provide Regulation 21 AML audits, anti-money laundering audits. We do data protection audits. We can do compliance gap analysis audits. Lots of different services provided into clients that give them the opportunity to look for gaps or improvements in their processes. I think probably the main one that we work on is an anti-money laundering audit. That helps clients assess whether they have any gaps in their anti-money laundering processes, whether they need to improve or strengthen their teams, or whether they need to improve or strengthen their policies. And ultimately, it keeps them compliant with the regulator's requirements, which stops them from being on the wrong end of fines or enforcement action from the regulator.
A lot of the audits are for law firms, so 90% of it would cover law firms. However, we do the same thing for surveyors and anyone that falls within the AML regulations, even though they're not law firms. So you'd find that people that do property work would fall within scope. Sometimes we do it in other areas, not just AML, so we'll do it for GDPR, we'll do the normal compliance policies, anything that the regulator would deem as required, you can actually implement it within the business. What we don't want to offer you is solutions that don't work within your business, to make sure that our recommendations do work for your firm.
If you've seen the services that we offer, we would really love for you to just pick up the phone and talk to us. We do have the website where you can submit a query, but equally just give us a call. There's plenty of willing team members that will be very happy to talk to you about what you need.